Hello, and welcome to Vid Fi. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing, specifically tailored for beginners. Investing might seem intimidating, but fear not. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start building wealth through investments. Let's get started. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Investing is the act of putting your money into assets with the expectation of earning a return. These assets can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Essentially, investing is a way to make your money work for you. Before you start investing, you need clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? Is it retirement, a home, financial security, or something else? Your goals will shape your investment strategy. Having a safety net is crucial. Before you invest, build an emergency fund. Why do you need an emergency fund? Well, life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss can happen to anyone. An emergency fund provides a financial cushion during these challenging times, preventing you from going into debt or dipping into your savings. This fund ensures you won't need to dip into your investments when unexpected expenses arise. High-interest debt can hinder your financial progress. First, it's essential to understand the nature of your debt. List all your outstanding high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, personal loans, or payday loans. Take note of the interest rates, minimum payments, and outstanding balances for each. Organize your debt into a clear inventory. This will help you visualize your financial situation and prioritize which debts to tackle first. Consider using a spreadsheet or budgeting app to track your debts. Establish a clear goal for paying off your high-interest debt. Determine when you want to become debt-free and how much extra money you can allocate to debt payments each month. This goal will keep you motivated. To free up money for debt payments, create a budget that outlines your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate those savings toward your debt payoff goal. Stick to your budget diligently. Focus on paying off the highest interest debt first. This approach, known as the debt avalanche method, saves you the most money on interest payments in the long run. Continue making minimum payments on other debts. Diversification. First, why is diversification so important in investing? Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes and securities. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. The primary goal? To reduce risk. To appreciate diversification, let's discuss the types of risk investors face. Market risk. The risk that overall market conditions will negatively impact your investments. Individual stock risk. The risk tied to a specific company's performance. Sector risk. Risk related to a particular industry or sector. Interest rate risk. The risk that changes in interest rates will affect your investments. Credit risk. The risk that a borrower will default on bonds or loans. So, how does diversification work to mitigate these risks? By spreading your investments across various assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even different sectors and geographic regions. When one part of your portfolio underperforms, others may perform well, balancing out your overall returns. Diversification offers several advantages. Risk reduction. It reduces the impact of poor-performing assets on your overall portfolio. Steadier returns. Diversified portfolios tend to experience less volatility. Improved risk-return ratio. You can achieve a better risk-to-reward ratio. Enhanced long-term performance. Over time, diversification can lead to more consistent, sustainable returns. For beginners, an excellent option is to invest in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds track the performance of an entire market or sector, providing instant diversification, and typically come with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. Dollar-cost averaging is a smart strategy, especially for beginners. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach reduces the impact of market volatility on your investments. Staying informed about your investments is crucial. Regularly monitor your portfolio and be ready to make adjustments if needed. Additionally, keep yourself updated with financial news to understand how global events can impact your investments. Lastly, remember that investing is a long-term endeavor. Don't be discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your financial goals and maintain discipline in your investment approach. As you gain more experience, you can explore advanced investment strategies like dividend investing, value investing, or even venture into real estate investments. These strategies can potentially boost your returns, but require a deeper understanding. Understanding tax-efficient investing can help you keep more of your gains. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts, tax loss harvesting, and other strategies to minimize your tax liability. If you find investing complex or overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors can provide valuable guidance tailored to your unique financial situation. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to investing for beginners. Remember, every financial journey is unique, so take your time, educate yourself, and start investing wisely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vid Fi, and share it with others who could benefit from this valuable information. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your successful investing journey.
Performance people, the one thing that they all have in common is they're hungry. Hungry for a better life. Hungry for change. Hungry for the tough love their parents didn't give them. 87% of everybody that walks the face of the earth, 7.65 billion people, are unhappy. I didn't know till I got grown up and was an adult that everybody didn't have self-esteem. I didn't realize that everybody didn't have self-confidence. I didn't realize that everybody didn't have self-worth. Growth only comes through pain. No pain, no gain. It's the same in life. Tough love gets the job done. It's bloody hard to be a high-performance person. Being a high-performance person is a full-time job. I'm like this 24/7, 365, and I've been like this for the better part of 50 years. I'm always like this. I'm always pushing the edge of the envelope. Most people procrastinate because they're unsure, so just do it. But I've never had a problem just doing it. Because one of the things is you learn as a young combat infantry officer is time costs lives. We overanalyze because we're unsure. We don't overanalyze because we are not sure if it'll work or not. We're more worried about, on the emotional side, it embarrassing us. But being liked doesn't get you a raise when you're working for wherever you're working for. Efficiency, accountability. If you want $1 million, you'll make $1 million, not $1.5 million. If you want 10 million, 100 million, and you'll never exceed that. You will never exceed your highest expectation. You will never exceed your highest, craziest thought. Never. That's a guarantee.